बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदहू व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। My dear super subscribers, well wishers and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you the recipe and the method by which we can prepare pink tea. So in winter this is utilized. This is very delicious and very good aroma this tea has. So today we are going to make it. Let's start. The ingredients that we use in this will be in the preparation of pink tea. Milk, we need cold water, dry fruit. In dry fruit we will be needing pistachio and almonds, salt that is necessary, sugar, then green cardamoms, sabzi ilaichi, cinnamon stick, then clove, baking soda, green tea, Kashmiri chai, then star anise, badiyan ke phool. These are essential items that will be used in preparation of pink tea. Now here what we have to do is just warm up the water, and then we will be adding the other things like star anise, badiyan ke phool, clove, and all these things they will be added into this. In the description box also I will let you know the things and the method also that is to be used in preparing this pink tea. Now here you have to bring the heater at the medium position, and then you have to add star anise. If you make pieces then it will be better, and then you have to add clove, just one, darchini, this will be added into this, then darchini stick, that is also added into this, making small pieces, and then green cardamoms, sabzi ilaichi, that will also be added into this, and then we have to just give it a good boil so that the heating process is there, and we have to just take the aroma and the flavors of these will be added into the water. It will take some time. I join you there. Now at this stage you can see that the color of this water has changed to brown, and all the flavors and aroma is mixed in the water. At this stage you have to add salt, and then the green tea. This will be also, we have to add green tea also in this, and then again we have to give it a good boil for some time, at least 20 minutes, so that all the flavors of green tea are there mixed well in the water. Now you can see that the color of this water has changed to pink by adding the baking soda and cooking it further for 10 minutes. The color has become pink. So this is very important stage. At this stage we have to add chilled water so that the further color should not change. Here you can add ice in the water to obtain, or I am using here this is, you can see that this is ice substitute. So you can use ice or you can use this to further stop the cooling process, this process of heating, and we have to stop so that the color should not be changed more. When you are adding cold water, then the process of cooking will stop, and then there will be no further change in the color of this water. Now at this stage you can see that the color of this water has become more dark. This is more dark brown. At this stage you have to add baking soda and then cover it for some time. On very low temperature we have to keep it for some time, for 15 minutes at least, 10 to 15 minutes. I see you then. Now our first stage of getting green tea is complete. We have to take it out in some utensil for further use, and we can keep this mixture in the refrigerator and then use it within 4 to 5 days. So we don't need to again go for the same procedure of making it, because it's a very lengthy process and it is taking very much a lot of time. So therefore with this mixture you can keep it in the refrigerator and use it further for some other time. This is the mixture that we have obtained. Now we'll go for the second stage, second process of. In the second stage we have to take some fresh milk and then give it a boil. When the first boil is obtained, then we have to add this green tea mixture as much as you find that the color is fine color is obtained. You can see that this is a very good color that we have obtained, and at this stage you may add sugar and then keep it covered for further cooking at very low heat. You can see the color has changed very nicely. You may further add the green tea to obtain good color. So you have to keep it for further 10 minutes. Keep it covered and cook it for further 10 minutes so that all the aroma that is very well mixed with this green tea. Now our green tea is fully prepared, and now we are pouring it into the cups. This is glass cup that I'm pouring my pink tea in this, and in the same way we are pouring this pink tea into other cup. Now our this process of making pink tea is complete. At this stage, we may garnish it with almonds and pistachio to give it further good look and good taste. So I am adding all this dry fruit, making topping for this. So this is the procedure and the method by which our green tea or pink tea that is complete, and this is very delicious and very good taste. This is mainly utilized in the winter season.